Before you start working with Amagno, there are some settings that you may wish to adjust. For example, you can upload a user picture for your Amagno account. To do this, in the upper left corner of the screen, there will be a user icon. Click on this icon to open the toolbox. In the toolbox, select the Properties tab, and here you can change various settings. Among other things, you can change your name here. If you wish to upload a picture, double-click on the Image option, and this will open a dialog box. From here, you can browse your computer to upload your profile picture. Click Confirm to save your new profile picture. Under the Settings tab, you can also change the Amagno software language. If you want to import emails into Amagno, you should configure the following settings. Click here on the Email Settings tab, and click on any value in the column to open the settings window. Enter your details here. You can check the details with your email provider. When all details have been entered, click the Confirm button, and if all information is correct, emails will automatically be moved into Amagno. Now we are ready to work with Amagno. Thanks so much for your attention.